effective skill moves in FIFA 19. Before we do get started though, make sure to check out my channel in the description down below. I'll cover SBC videos, how to get coins in Ultimate Team, all that good stuff, but now let's jump into it. So before you guys judge me about the selection of skill moves in this video, I may clarify that these skill moves are really simple and an entry level, involving a maximum of a 1 or a 2 button press. These are really effective and will help you get the edge over your opponent in a sticky situation. So the first skill move we'll be checking out is the La Croqueta. This is a new skill move added this year into the game and is really easy and effective. It is also called the lane change in the game, and it is a 4-star skill move. The skill is really easy and helps you use the pace abuse in FIFA 19 a little bit. Since it's really difficult to take on defenders this year, for this skill move you need to press the LB or L1 and hold the right analog towards the left or right of the player. The second skill move in this list is the famous drag back. If you have ever played FIFA at a somewhat higher division before, you might have seen people abusing this skill move everywhere. Well, that's because it is quite OP. To do this skill move, all you gotta do is hold your RB or the R1 button and then move your left stick. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it, but it's super easy to change direction within a second without worrying about dribbling abilities of the player, since the dribbling stat matters very slightly when you do perform it. Okay, the next skill move in the list is the heel flick. Though it isn't too effective in some situations, but when it works, it destroys your opponent. The best way to use this skill is to run diagonally with your player and then perform it when he does get close. If it's done correctly, it will stop the defender right there and then. The fake shot. This is a classic move and is really effective in every FIFA, and it's good to create some space between you and your opponent. To do the fake shot, you need to press the shoot and the pass button just after it. If you point the left stick back, it will convert it into a Cruyff turn, which is really helpful when you're trying to cross to the wings. The body feint. This is another classic move that's effective in changing direction in a flash. The body feint is really effective against the containing defenders that just stick to your attacker. The magic of the skill lies in its speed, which really surprises your opponent when you change direction. It's really good in the midfield, also when you're cutting in for a finesse shot. Another effective skill move that every player uses in the game is the ball roll, and it's really good to combine this with the other skills that I've already mentioned. To perform this skill move, you just hold the right stick towards the left or the right of the player. It's such a simple move, but will always be in the meta since it's really effective to change position and having the least space between you and the ball.